Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to manage controller aim settings on the GameSir Cyclone 2. First, go to the GameSir Connect app and go to Motion. Now select Aim. Here you can change X-axis output mode between rotate, rotate around, yaw plus roll, rotate the controller around vertical axis, and horizontal output. Next, you can enable activation method. Hold to turn, press the switch, or always on. You can enable activation button and change output to simulate left stick, right stick output corresponding directing buttons, or mouse. For mouse, you can also change DPI. That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.